You've probably heard of LinkedIn. Maybe you've even created a profile and then never touched it again. But what actually is LinkedIn, and why is it one of the most powerful platforms for your career, your business, or your brand? In this video, we're going to break down exactly what LinkedIn is, why it matters, and how to use it like a pro. Whether you're a student, a job hunter, or building your own business, this will guide you to unlock your full potential. LinkedIn is a professional social network launched in 2003 and owned by Microsoft. It's designed for business networking, career development, and recruitment. Think of it as the corporate version of Facebook, where instead of selfies and memes, you share achievement, insights, and career milestones. Here's what you can actually do on LinkedIn. You can build a profile to showcase your skills, your experience, and your education. You can connect with colleagues, managers, and professionals in your fields. You can apply for jobs directly or through the platform. You can get noticed by recruiters and talents. You can share your insights, you can write articles and grow a following. Over 70% of recruiters use LinkedIn to find candidates. Having a strong LinkedIn presence increases your visibility and your credibility, whether you're looking for a job, you're freelancing, or you're working for your own business. If you want to stand out, it's important that you use a professional photo, you write a clear and compelling summary, you fill out your experience and skills in detail, you ask for recommendations, and then be active by commenting, posting, and engaging with your network. LinkedIn isn't just for job seekers, it's for anyone who wants to build something, whether it's your career, a company, or a legacy. So ask yourself, if someone searched on your name in LinkedIn, would your profile impress them? If not, then work on it. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe and make sure to watch the next videos. Thank you.